Today we gonna review dinosaur from REBOR this, and I ordered from Geek Freak Philippines. Here's some website, check this out. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, double time. The packaging is so tight. Check it. Okay. Let it see. I remember, now I remember all you said to do was slow down, but I was already gone. I scream at myself when there's nobody else to fight. Okay, this is it. REBOR Baby Velociraptor Stan, scale 1 to 118. REBOR TM 2016 version, made in PRC. Wow, it's beautiful. Boxes, REBOR Facebook, REBOR Scout series. Okay, let's check the box. Let's open it. Wow, it's beautiful baby Velociraptor. Nice figure. Okay, that out on the plastic. Wow, it's beautiful. It's beautiful baby Velociraptor. So beautiful. Okay, let's check the base. Wow. See the footprint of baby Velociraptor here. In a base, rock base. Very realistic rock. It's so beautiful. Amazing. Let's check this. Yeah, okay, I get it. Let's check the head. Wow, beautiful head, like eyes, like from snake eye. Baby Velociraptor is so beautiful, head and eyes, and the hand is so beautiful. Wow, amazing. So beautiful. Beautiful baby Velociraptor. Amazing. And hand painting is so beautiful. Amazing. Wow. Nice figure. Okay. And easy to stand like this. Wow. Let's check the size. Let's measuring. Okay. The size of this figure is about 3.5 centimeter inches and 2 inches height. 2 inches height. See it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.